How to activate Suncorp Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be learning about activating a Suncorp Bank credit card online. So let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to search for Suncorp Bank and click on the first website or directly visit the suncorp.com.au. This will lead you to this kind of website, their official one. And now from on this page, select the login option that is highlighted in yellow color and then choose the internet banking from the drop-down menu. In order to log in, enter your customer ID, and if you have forgotten your customer ID, click on the provided link and next input your password. To reset it, click on forgot your password, and if you have a token code, also enter it and click on log on. For new users, select register to create an account, and once logged in, click on my accounts and then go to my bank accounts and click on go to credit card services, and the link is below your credit card number. Proceed by clicking card services and then activate my card. Enter the necessary details to activate your card and enter the 16-digit credit card number, expiration date, and security code from the back of your card. Depending on security measures, you might possibly through a one-time passcode through the SMS or the email. Complete any required verification steps and confirm card activation. So this was all about it. For more questions or concerns, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.